In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Zoom on Android using the latest update. First, make sure you have the Zoom app installed and updated to the most recent version from the Google Play Store. This is important because older versions may not show the background options or might look a bit different from what you see in this walkthrough. Once your app is up to date, open Zoom on your Android device. From the main Zoom home screen, sign in to your account if you aren't already. You need to be signed in to access all the meeting and background features. After you're signed in, you can either join an existing meeting or start a new one. To start your own meeting, tap the New Meeting button, then tap Start a Meeting so that your camera turns on and you can see yourself on screen. When you're inside the meeting, look along the bottom or side of the screen for the controls. Find the option that says More, usually represented by 3 dots. Tap on that and a menu will slide up with additional settings. In this menu, look for Backgrounds and Effects or Virtual Background, depending on your version of the app. Tap Backgrounds and Effects, and you'll see a list of preloaded background options, like simple colors or sample images. Tap on any background to instantly apply it and see a preview behind you. Take a moment to test a few and see which one looks best and least distracting. If your device supports it, you may also see options for blur, which keeps you in focus while softly blurring everything behind you. This is a great choice for privacy if you don't want to show your room. Some Android devices and Zoom versions also allow you to add custom images. If you see a small plus icon or an add button, tap it to choose a photo from your gallery. Select a clear, horizontal image for the best look, and avoid pictures with too much text or clutter. If you notice that the background looks glitchy, or parts of you seem to disappear, try to sit in a well-lit area and avoid having the same color behind you as your clothes. Zoom relies on contrast to separate you from the background. Once you're happy with your choice, simply close the menu. Your selected background will stay active for the rest of the meeting and usually for future meetings until you change it again.